Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I am getting over a cold, sorry. Got my water with me. I will edit out my coughing. I will not edit out my husband and my son's coughing. They're in the room beside me, in my son's room. They are doing some major work in there, getting ready for Christmas presents. So they got to make room in there. So if you hear banging, knocking, or coughing, that would be my family. So I'm here today to tell you, let me put my water down. Today we are going to unbox my BoxyLuxe. I got my BoxyLuxe, my first BoxyLuxe. And of course I had to share it with you. I'm so excited. I do know what's in it, but I don't remember what's in it. My memory is just like horrible, everybody. I have cut the little tape. Yeah, I did see what was coming, but then I forgot what was coming. But now I'm remembering what was coming because I got my card. And this is definitely me. 'Tis the Sea Sun. Look at the flamingo. I love this card. I am so excited to get my BoxyLuxe. Again, I did not bring my calculator. I always forget. At the end of this video, I will add everything up and put the dollar amount at the bottom. I'm recovering from a cold. I still have it, and my brain hurts. So I don't feel like trying to add it up in my brain. So let's get started with this. So Elements. Yes, I remembered. First, let's do the bag, because the bag's looking at me. Let's start with the bag first. Glam AF. Now, I have seen this on other people's videos. I could care less about the bag. I'm going to be honest. I don't really care about the... I mean, the bag's nice. But if you're like me, I have bags. I have tons of bags. I might pass this on to someone else. So, yeah, it's a nice bag. Inside the bag is a phone charger. Anyway, this one, I think, yeah, it's on here. $22 for the bag and the phone charger. This feels kind of cheapy, but I don't know. I am going to charge it up and see how it works. All right, I'm not impressed. But I will charge it and see how it works. I will not be doing a review at the end of the month on my boxes and bags because I'm just not going to have time. My surgery's coming up, and so, yeah. I'm going to leave this laying out over here to charge. But yeah, this doesn't wow me. This is not me. I won't be using this. Because of what it says, I won't be passing it on to my young nieces. I do have older nieces. Do I want to say this to my older nieces? Not really. I don't know what I'll do with that. Okay. Let's continue now to the good stuff. Elements. I did see I was getting this. I am almost out of my Caress moisturizer that I absolutely love. So I didn't buy a new one, because I saw that I was getting Elements. I wanted to try Elements. Elements, I hear just great things about it. So I knew I was getting this moisturizer. This is the daytime moisturizer. The Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. That's it. Let's open it up. This is what it looks like. The packaging, I have to tell you, is very deceiving. I'm putting the box down. The packaging is deceiving. Do you see how much fake space? It says there is 1 fluid ounce in here, but it looks very tiny. I'm going to see here. Wait a second. Ooh, I don't want to waste any product. This is it. No scent. No scent whatsoever. Put that back on. I don't want to lose any. I'll put this on my hand. Moisturize the back of my hand with it. Feels nice. There is a slight scent. There is a very, very, very faint. And I'm sick. too, but I can smell it. Maybe we shouldn't go by scents with me with having a cold. I do smell, though, a little faint scent. Okay, next I have a Tarteist lip paint. There we go. A shimmering lip paint. Mine says glitter lip paint on my card. Ooh, yes, this is me. Let's throw the box away. This is in the color, if I can read it, Insta Famous. I believe that's what it is. Does it say on here? I think that says Insta Famous. Yeah. Ah, there we go. Let's see if you can see it on my hand. I don't think you are. Oh, it's clear. And let me tell you what I'm seeing. I don't think you can see that. It's clear, and I see glitters, like little fine micro glitters. And my glitters are in like a pretty gold, a pinkish purple, maybe blue. Very pretty. No scent, but I like. That's very me. That is very me. I see a lot of gold and pink in it, but also like see like purples. Gold, pinky, purple. That's nice. I like that. Alright, throw that aside. Next, Violet Voss. I've been wanting to try Violet Voss. That's another... I'm sorry, I'm taking my box apart. Violet Voss is another brand I have really wanted to try. It's been kind of on my list to try. And I got this. This is the Pro HG palette. It says it has 20 highly pigmented eyeshadows, ranging in finishes from creamy matte to bold metallic and silky satin. It's vegan and cruelty-free formula, and it sells for $45. And I believe it's called, it says hashtag my holy grail on the back. So that must be the holy grail. Let me open it. Okay. Alright, that was hard to get out of the box. I'm going to throw the packaging away because I don't intend to put it back in there. Here we go. I'm going to put my box down. And let's look at this palette. Ooh, very pretty. The protective cover. Nice mirror. I like the mirror a lot. The colors are definitely me. These are gorgeous. First one that called to me was glamping. It is a, feels kind of rough, but it is a shimmer. That's glamping. That's a very pretty color. Glamping. Let me get my wipe. Let's see what else. I'm going to go with another shimmer. It's Bat My Eyes. Now this one is more of a satin. The first one felt a little rough. I think it's more of a glittery kind, although it looks kind of satiny. But this one is a more silky, and it's called Bat My Eyes. Very pretty. That is very pretty. Let's try matte. I'm going to do hashtag because I think it'll really show up. Hashtag, it's like a pumpkin shade. There we go. That's pretty. Those are some pretty shades. I like that it's both warm and cool. To me, this warmer up here and cooler down here. Very pretty. Very, very pretty palette. Suva Beauty. I remember we got the email. We could choose either a palette or a mini flat iron hair straightener. And I already have a mini flat iron from Dry Bar. So I didn't need another mini flat iron. I don't even use the one I got. Someone gave it to me as a present. And I haven't even used it yet because I got big old hair. And I don't really have like the front pieces. I should get it out and use it. I'm going to use it more. That's my New Year's resolution is I'm just going to be better about doing everything. But I chose the palette. So this is Suva. I've just started hearing about this brand, S-U-V-A, Suva. And this is the Protégé palette. So this is the one I chose. And it is a very pretty palette. It's got a nice mirror. This is what it looks like. Very nice. But I'm not going to stick my fingers in it, because looking at it, that palette I just got is so similar. The palette I'm wearing today, the Ace Beaute palette we just got recently, they all look very similar to me. So I am going to put this in a giveaway. I am going to put this in my bag, and after my recovery, I'm going to have a big old giveaway. We'll give a big giveaway. So I'm not going to swatch this. I hate to say it, but I don't really need it. I've got so many things, and this is so much like so many other things I have that I'm just going to pass on it. So I'm going to give that to one of you guys later. I'll figure out my giveaway later while I'm recuperating. I'll work on all that. So yeah. Next, Luxe. This excited me because, as you guys know, I love Luxe brushes. I love it when I get it in my subscriptions, because that's the only time I've gotten them. I have never purchased them. So I got a whole set of Luxe brushes in this. And the set, the Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set, $65. So let's open this up. It's got the round top blender, the tapered highlighting, Pro Precision, tapered blending, eye shading, flat definer, brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. And can I get in here? Alright, let me open these up. Brush. There we go. Yeah, I've heard of this smell. Everybody talking about the smell. It is a very strong chemical smell. I bet this, I wonder if this plastic's recyclable. I'm thinking maybe not. Okay. So here, oh, yes. That comes out like that. They feel very nice. They do feel nice. Oh, they are really stuck in this thing. There we go. That's a nice brush. This is a nice brush. The round top blender, I can see me using that. The Pro Precision face is chiseled, kind of, see, slanted. I can see that. That's great. And this is the tapered highlighter brush. Let me look at this lip brush. This is the lip brush. Nice. That's a really nice lip brush. I like that a lot. I'm very pleased. I will, today is brush washing day. I will give these a rinse. I don't smell the chemical smell in the brushes. I believe it's the packaging. No, I don't smell it in the brushes. Not at all. Not at all. It's the packaging that smells chemically. It's not the brushes. Very interesting. Next, I got a, how is this pronounced? Spongel? I've seen these. I've never owned one. It's a, one of those, this is Blossom Bliss Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. And let's open it up. This is what it looks like. Cool. Yeah, it smells, to me, it smells like my laundry detergent. But I can't wait to try that. Hard as a brick. I know it's multi-use. I don't know how many uses you can get. Place sponge underwater, squeeze to absorb, massage in a circular motion to cleanse skin. Squeeze out excess water. I am looking forward to giving this a shot. I'm going to try that out. That sells for $20. I'll try it, see how well I like it. Without ever trying it, I wouldn't pay $20 for it. But it might be so amazing that I would be like, wow, why haven't I tried this before? So, you know, I don't know. Right now, without trying it, I'm like, I don't know if I'd spend that much. But, okay, next is a Grande Cosmetics Grande Mascara. This is a nice mascara. I'm not opening it because I'm not ready for a mascara. You guys know I don't open them until I'm ready to use them. This is, it says on here, lash boosting formula, which intrigues me. Get extreme length and volume while promoting healthier lashes. Okay. Buildable water resistant formula. Water resistant. It's easily removable to prevent lash breakage. Okay, $25. That sounds about right. And I will give that a shot later when I need a mascara. Don't need one right now. And then the last thing I got was a Pretty Vulgar. The Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. Matte About You. This is nice. I haven't received many full-size setting powder. Oh, isn't that cute? That's cute. That's cute. And then there's the powder. I'm not going to open it. I'm not ready to use it. Yeah, I will tell you guys about it later. But as you know, I think I've already said it in this video, I'm not going to be reviewing my subscription boxes and bags this month. I just not going to have time. So, but yeah, there it is. That's very nice. 0.88 ounces. That's a nice size. I like the packaging. It is really cute packaging. So, it's just basically a translucent powder to set your makeup. And that's it. That is everything in this month's BoxyLuxe box. And I am so excited that I was able to sign up for BoxyLuxe and to get it. I am loving my very first BoxyLuxe. This is great. I love everything I got. The Protégé palette, I knew I was getting that. I chose it, but I thought, well, I'm going to take a look at it when I get it and make up my mind. And after looking at it, I just have so many of those similar colors, so I'm going to share the love, and it'll be in a future giveaway. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up if you did. I would really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, I would really love it if you would subscribe. And leave down below a comment and let me know if you got anything different in your Luxie. I'm looking at the brushes. If you got anything different in your BoxyLuxe, or any of these products that I got that you absolutely love, and you want to tell me about them. I don't think I've tried anything that I received before. So, except for Luxie brushes. You know, I love my Luxie brushes, but everything else is going to be new to me. So, anyway, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you guys next time.